Huh. So this suppose a fish inside water. Then see this is the force acting on the fish. This is the force acting on the fish. Okay, the force is perpendicular to the surface, normal to the surface, right? This is known as thrust force, है ना? इसको कहते हैं thrust force. Have you felt this force? How many of you know swimming? You know swimming? When you dive inside water, water exerts force, na? From all directions. নাকি এক ডিরেকশনে ফোর্স দেয় শুধু ওয়াটার?
No, sir. All
তাহলে
directions.
এক ডিরেকশনে ফোর্স দিলে হবে? তাই তো একদিকে ধাক্কা মেরে পাঠিয়ে দেবে, এটা হয় না। And say if you submerge something, a block inside water, say submerge some object inside water, so the water exerts force from all directions, perpendicular to the surface, all directions perpendicular to the surface. So pressure acts on surface in contact. Pressure acts perpendicular. Pressure means this, see, pressure is actually the normal force by area. Normal force by area. This normal is not that normal which has antonym abnormal. ঠিক আছে, যেটার অপোজিট অ্যাবনর্মাল সেই নর্মাল না এটা। হোয়াট ইজ নর্মাল, ইউ নো? নর্মাল মানে কি?
Sir,
The reactive
perpendicular.
force.
পারপেন্ডিকুলার, ইয়েস, পারপেন্ডিকুলার। সো দিস নর্মাল হ্যাজ অ্যান্টোনিম ট্যানজেনশিয়াল। ঠিক আছে, মানে এটা হয় ফোর্স নর্মাল, এটা হয় ট্যানজেনশিয়াল। ওকে, দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ শিয়ার ফোর্স, force tangent to the surface. So that is, we are not talking about that shear force. Force, sorry, the force normal to the surface, perpendicular to the surface. So pressure is normal force by area. Okay. Now pressure acts from equally from all directions. Okay. Achha. Now pressure, there is one more thing known as atmospheric pressure. You know, atmospheric pressure. What about this atmospheric pressure? So this is the earth. Outside the earth, you know, there is a layer of this atmosphere, air, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Air. Outside the earth, you have this layer of atmosphere air. This air is attracted towards the center of the earth. Huh? And it's like, see, same way, think like, say a rim, and on the rim you have a tire. The tire will press on the rim. Na? So here also that tire of air, na, has spherical shell containing air that also has weight, that is attracted towards the center of the earth by gravity, and that air, the whole air will press on the surface of the earth. That whole air will press on the surface of the earth. So that pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. The pressure due to the weight of the air layer surrounding the earth is known as atmospheric pressure. So if we all experience atmospheric pressure, okay, we all experience atmospheric pressure. But why don't we get crushed?
Sir, we exert a normal pressure.
Yes, we also,
The blood
because
exerts the pressure on the
blood
Yes.
exerts the pressure. Exactly, there is blood pressure. Inside us is not vacuum. If inside us were vacuum, then we would have crushed in no time. মানে গুঁড়ো গুঁড়ো হয়ে যেতাম একদম, ক্রাশ হয়ে। Got the point?
Yes, sir.
You get
একটু উপরে যাবেন?
you get the feel of this atmospheric pressure from the Tetra Pak drinks, na? Tetra Pak, that little Amul Cool. Amul Cool আর কি আছে? Fruity. আছে না? আরো কি বেরিয়েছে না? কি টেট্রা প্যাক আছে না ড্রিঙ্ক? কি ফ্রুটি আছে তো? ফ্রুটি
Amul
Yes.
Lassi.
আমুল লাসি, মশলা ছাঁচ, আহ আরে বাহ, আই এম গেটিং ডাইভার্টেড। কি জানি পড়ছিলাম? হাইড্রোস্ট্যাটিক্স। ওকে ওকে। See, those who love food na are good people. Remember that. How many of you love food? ফুডি কে আছে? ফুডি? সাগনিক অভিষেক কান্তি, রিয়েল ফুডি একদম।
Sir, I am Abhinav Kanti. This is my brother's account.
হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস। ভেরি গুড। What were you studying? Hydrostatics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Masala charge. Let me recall back. Masala charge. Amul Cool Fruity. Yes, yes, yes. Now the sad thing is that when you are, I mean, sucking that fruit juice or juice from within the pack with the straw, at the end, what happens? At the end, every good thing has to end, no? Every good thing has to end. But you hope that it does not end. So you suck in that drop. You hope that you suck in the on air, and you hope that droplets of the juice will get mixed with air. Right? Then what happens? What you create? একদম straw দিয়ে টেনে টেনে আরে শেষ হলো কেন? You create a partial vacuum inside that Tetra Pak. Then what happens? Now
It's
you see the
partial vacuum, lower pressure, and out at, outside the straw there is high pressure.
outside the straw high pressure, atmospheric pressure. Then it comes atmospheric pressure, crashes. Right? Crashes that Tetra Pak. And you see crashes from all directions. ওই ফ্রুটি ক্যান সব দিক দিয়েই সে এরকম ছিল তো, it becomes like this, না? Isn't it? Atmospheric pressure is not partial, remember that. Absolutely impartial. Any pressure is absolutely impartial. It acts equally from all directions. So it will try to crush the pack from all directions and decimate it totally. But still, at last we lose hope that no droplets are coming, leave it. Okay. Now, if you keep if you keep your hope alive, then it will be more crushed. You create more vacuum inside and more void inside. So, আরো problem হয়ে যাবে। যাই হোক, so that's atmospheric pressure. It is very powerful. Atmospheric pressure is very powerful. You know, what is the unit of pressure? Unit of pressure হচ্ছে see, pressure is force by area. ওটা তো বললাম, force by area. So unit of pressure is Newton by meter square. That is known as Pascal. PA দিয়ে লেখে Pascal. Unit of atmospheric pressure is Pascal. Sometimes I wonder all the names are of Englishmen. Can't we have one Shubhayon? One Shubhayon pressure বা কিছু একটা কি হতেই পারে না?
No, sir.
Eh,
স্যার ঘরে এক জায়গায় এসছে একজন দরজাটা খুলে এসছে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, শিওর শিওর। So SI এটা হচ্ছে, this is the SI unit of pressure, that is Pascal. আচ্ছা, now we'll calculate pressure inside liquid at a depth h. Now rho, এটাকে p এর মতো দেখতে, rho is density of liquid, rho. So this is H. Acha. So you have to find the pressure at this point, right? At this point at a depth H. What is pressure? How to calculate pressure? Force by area. So what force will calculate? আরে force বললেই তো হলো না, what force will calculate? Now what I am doing here is
Normal
that
force.
normal
Sir,
force.
mg.
Now হ্যাঁ, mg মানে I construct a cylinder of the liquid. Now this cylinder is very much interesting. Do you watch movies, Hindi movies? Or
Yes.
Acha. Have you watched the film movie Lage Raho Munna Bhai?
No, we have only seen the first one.
Oh, you have seen first one. First one do bhalo, bahut acha hai. They have one more part, sequel of the first one, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, where there used to be a goon, the other type of a person, na? A goon, na? Tapodi type jo hota hai na? A goon. He used to have hallucinations of Mahatma Gandhi. So he hallucinated Mahatma Gandhi, but nobody else could see Mahatma Gandhi. But he tried to confirm with others, and somewhere his chelas, na, followers, his who will like to get slapped. Always, somewhere his chelas, he used to ask, "तुझको दिख रहा है बापू?" तो some people said, "हाँ दिख रहा है." वो तो क्लियर कट बैठा है, बापू सोफा में बैठा है. बापू मीन्स महात्मा गांधी, यू नो ना, बापू Mahatma Gandhi. And some people who did not know that Munna Bhai or Goon said that no, Bapu is not there. Then their life will be a danger. He'll beat them. So here it is same. This cylinder is also same like Bapu Dikh Raha hai. See, no one else than me can see this cylinder. Na? It's constructed out of your mind. Water, there is no cylinder inside water. It is all throughout continuous liquid. How can you view a cylinder? So that is our own choice, that we consider a cylinder out of this water, like that Bhai, Munna Bhai constructed Mahatma Gandhi out of air. Nothing else. It was out of ether. You see the stories of ghosts, apparitions and ghosts. Some may be also interested in ghost stories. কারোর আছে ইন্টারেস্ট ঘোস্ট স্টোরি পড়াতে?
Sorry. আচ্ছা.
Or no? Wow, very good. You see that those pictures, ectoplasm, থাকে না? Those apparitions, those images. যাই হোক. So it's like that also. This is a ghostly cylinder inside water. No one else than the person who have constructed it in his own mind cylinder. So এটা দিয়ে, this will help us to calculate pressure. This will really help us to calculate pressure. That's in the following way. So I'm going to draw it outside. এটা আছে আচ্ছা now what is on the top surface of this acha suppose this cross section is a on the top surface you have this atmospheric pressure the whole atmosphere na it's an open surface the whole atmosphere the whole layer of air kilometer after kilometer that is pressing on that top surface or the free surface of water so this is p naught a and from bottom so you know pressure acts from all directions so bottom it is pa pa acts upward no? See don't have any confusion about this for this cylinder the surface the of on the bottom surface pressure acts upwards obviously say if I have my hand like this pressure acts from upward and downward no? Depending on the surface so I have got this cylinder so pressure in the bottom surface obviously it will press upward that কত হবে pa now what about the weight কত হবে mass what is mass h into a volume into density mass into g okay so now this
স্যার পি নট এটা কি?
p naught হচ্ছে atmospheric pressure আর a হচ্ছে area of the I mean cross section of the cylinder so force the pressure into area ঠিক আছে force is pressure multiplied by area okay তাহলে
ইয়েস স্যার।
তাহলে কি হবে এখানে তো পি এ ইজ ইকুয়াল টু পি নট এ প্লাস এইচ এ রো জি implies p is equal to p naught plus h rho g ठीक है e is equal to p naught plus h rho g so this is how pressure varies in some books you'll find are pressure h rho g hdg আরে অত
এটা
সোজা
অ্যাবসলিউট প্রেসার।
হ্যাঁ এটা হচ্ছে অ্যাবসলিউট প্রেসার so this is absolute pressure এটা কিন্তু absolute pressure now absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure that is known as gauge pressure gauge pressure now this gauge pressure is equal to h rho g and the absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure so you see now suppose you have a leaked tire pressure inside a leaked tire is atmospheric pressure মানে gauge pressure is zero মানে the thing you have that circular dial sort of a thing na that's a gauge so whatever is measured by the gauge in that leak tire is zero pressure zero means what uh, absolute pressure is not zero the gauge pressure is zero okay তাহলে absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure now next is pressure difference between 2 points in a liquid pressure difference between 2 points in a liquid so this is 1 and 2 points height h how will you find out pressure difference between 2 points huh. So what will be the method to find out pressure difference yeah
এই সুরজি হয়ে যাবে না কারণ অ্যাটমসফিয়ারিক প্রেশার কেটে যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ মানে কি again तेरे को बापू दिखता है मेरे को दिखता है माने तेरे को सिलेंडर दिखता है मेरे को दिखता है इसीलिए मैंने फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बना सकता है ठीक है স্প্রেডার ক্রস সেকশন এ তাহলে উপর থেকে কত P1A প্রেসার P1 at that point নিচ থেকে P2A and what about the weight HA rho G instead of P1A plus HA rho G equal to P2A so P2 minus P1 equal to H rho G okay is that clear this pressure and all these things
Yes, sir.
So you know in the same horizontal level you have same pressure at all points in the same horizontal level say all throughout this you have same pressure and again if you look at the top all throughout this you have same pressure throughout any horizontal level you choose you will have same pressure that's it all points in a horizontal level will have same pressure equal pressure তাহলে তো হবে না if it is not equal pressure there will be a disaster if the points in horizontal level do not have equal pressure there will be a disaster liquid will move that suggests liquid moving I'll explain why in a horizontal level if pressures are different that suggests liquid moving तेरे को हॉरिजॉन्टल सिलेंडर दिखता है नहीं ना मेरे को दिखता है ये देखो that's the crux of the thing na method out of my mind I construct a horizontal cylinder made of water inside this water itself so both having the same refractive index no one can see this cylinder it's actually the vision of the mind which can see this cylinder that's a horizontal cylinder now suppose point A and B different points so this is PA multiplied by cross section A now this is PB multiplied by cross section A now is this cylinder moving no so that means the forces are balanced pressure at A equal to pressure at B simple this proves that the pressure at points in the same horizontal level are equal if they are unequal pressure what does that mean suppose if PA is greater than PB what does that mean PA
is below PB. Point P is below PB.
না সেটা না
So the cylinder will move towards the right.
হ্যাঁ cylinder will move towards the right exactly PA greater than PB means the cylinder I mean this blue cylinder that no one else than us can see this cylinder moves that means we can conclude that in a moving liquid you should not have same pressure in same horizontal level may not have same pressure or totally this vessel can move to the right you will not have same pressure
So কিন্তু এখানে প্রেসারটা তো সাইডওয়েজ কনসিডার করছি
হ্যাঁ sideways না pressure at A see pressure at point A যদি হয় say pressure at a certain point এখানে so if you keep something like this say a cube so pressure will exert from all directions as there you have the left side open so pressure acts towards the right the force acts towards the right that's it
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
প্রেসার মানে সেম pressure at a point. That is how it is expressed. Pressure at a point.
স্যার মানে এই সব প্রেসার গুলো ইকুয়াল সব ডিরেকশন থেকে।
Equal. Provided you have a point. Suppose this thing is dimensionless, so this pressure is equal. This is P. This is P. This is P. This is P. Varies with height, but a point has no height at all. So you have same pressure from all sides.
ওকে
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার যদি মানে এই মানে যে ভেসেলটা যদি একটা থিটা অ্যাঙ্গেলে থাকে তাহলে কোন লাইনে অ্যালং এ সবকটা প্রেশার সেম থাকবে?
ভেসেলটা যদি
থিটাতে ইনক্লাইন করা থাকে।
মানে ভেসেলটা
হ্যাঁ
ইনক্লাইন
মানে
করা আছে এরকম।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ তাহলে তো ওয়াটার উইল টেক দিস শেপ।
তাহলে কোন পয়েন্টে সবকটা ইকুয়াল থাকবে?
এই তো এখানে এগেন হরিজন্টাল।
ওকে
মানে horizontal means a plane perpendicular to G will is a horizontal plane. So all points have same pressure.
ওকে স্যার।
Vessel যেরকমই থাক ম্যাটার করবে না কিছু। Water will take its own shape. Yes. Now this pressure difference and all those things. See here. Suppose you have a tube like this. A tube like this. Say you have water here, and suppose you have a different oil here. Red out water. This part is water, and this part you have an oil. Here also, this you choose 2 points, say point 1 and point 2. Here also P1 equal to P2. Okay, P1 is equal to P2. Now, how do you get this? Suppose this is oil having density rho naught, water having density rho. এটার সে হাইট যদি ক্যাপিটাল এইচ হয় আর সে এটার হাইট স্মল এইচ, then P1 equal to P2. So what is P1 equal to? P1 is P naught plus capital H rho naught G, and P2 is equal to P naught plus H rho G. So therefore H rho naught equal to small h into rho. Okay.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Acha. Suppose you have a vessel and you have liquid. Find pressure, absolute pressure at this point, and the top part is vacuum. How it is made vacuum? The air is dragged out by some suction mechanism. The air is dragged out. What is the absolute pressure?
স্যার এইচ রো জি হবে,
হ্যাঁ এই
পি নটটা 0 হবে
কারণ পি নট 0 হয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ P naught 0 হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? That will be simply H rho G, because here you have nothing, you have zero pressure. But if you have a slightest opening, here, suppose you have a slight opening here, then what happens?
তাহলে পি নট প্লাস এইচ
তাহলে আবার P naught হয়ে যাবে, কারণ কি see this atmosphere layer, na? You have this layer extending up to some, how much? Beyond the mountains, no? Top. You have that layer, find out that layer there, and that will exert pressure, exactly the same atmospheric pressure.
স্যার যদি আরেকটা ছোট লেয়ার অফ এয়ার থাকে মানে এত বড় না,
ও ছোট লেয়ার, তাহলে তো ছোট লেয়ার আনতে গেলে কি করতে হবে? If you want a smaller layer, you need to go here on top of Mount Everest. You have a smaller layer, exerting pressure. But near the surface of the earth, you have a bigger layer. Okay.
স্যার না
On-
যদি গ্লাস দিয়ে অ্যাটমসফিয়ারের থেকে সেপারেট করে দিয়ে আর একটু এর ভিতরে থাকে।
ও আচ্ছা, ওটা মানে it is not totally vacuum, it's locked up. তাহলে প্রেসার হবে, যতটা হবে প্রেসার তাই হবে,
ওকে
যতটা প্রেসার হবে it is less than atmospheric pressure. Suppose that will be there, whatever be the pressure that will add up. ঠিক আছে, মানে understand the concept behind this, understand properly the concept and where this is coming from, this pressure, atmospheric pressure, where is it coming from, where is the source, and how do you calculate pressure difference, how to consider this cylinder, this imaginary cylinder. That concept is very much needed. Have you heard about buoyant force? That I think you have done. Now that was in class 9
Yes.
ছিল না এটা? buoyancy-টা class 9 এ ছিল তো?
হ্যাঁ অল্প
Yes,
একটু
sir.
ছিল।
আচ্ছা, what is
হ্যাঁ,
buoyant
এটা
force?
class-
What do you understand by buoyant force?
Sir, when we immerse any object in a liquid, the liquid displaces some volume of that object displaces some volume of the liquid, and that volume exerts an opposite force against the object, sir. Weight of the
The
object.
volume of the
Volume of the-
volume of the object and the volume of the liquid displaced are equal. Like the volume of the object immersed, drowned is equal to the volume of the liquid displaced.
But where does this buoyant force come from?
From the normal pressure exerted by the water.
Sir, the
Exactly.
upward force
Exactly.
exerted on the object when it is immersed in a liquid is called bound force.
Yes. মানে whenever a body is partly or fully submerged in a liquid, then the net upward force due to pressure is buoyant force. It's quite simple. Let's suppose consider this water and consider suppose a cylinder, a part of the cylinder. So this is total height is h and the submerged height is small h, cross section is a. Now what is the buoyant, and the liquid has density rho. So on the top you have what force? So on the top obviously you have atmospheric pressure, no? It is exposed to atmosphere, so P naught A. And from the bottom, what is the force? PA. Now what is P? P naught plus H rho G times A.
So buoyant force টা a small h rho g হবে মানে।
হ্যাঁ, তো এটা যেটা বলছি the net force due to pressure, and see there is pressure on the sides also, but the sideways pressure will cancel. Why it will cancel? Every
Okay.
horizontal level
They're
you have
not
same
moving.
pressure. আর এই যে এখানে same pressure, so this force in the same horizontal level now from here and here from all sides it will get cancelled out. No trouble, only pressure varies along vertical, so that the difference in pressure creates the buoyancy, the net upthrust. So the net force, buoyant force is equal to V equal to V rho G, na? Now what is V? Submerged
H A
volume.
rho G.
Submerged volume.
Yes.
Submerged volume. So V into rho is the or V into rho G is weight of the displaced liquid. Na? It is the weight of the displaced liquid. Whatever liquid is displaced, that is having weight v rho g. ওটাই ব্যাপার যে v is a part of volume of the body but rho is density of the liquid. ওটা অনেকটা সেই ক্রস কানেকশন হয়ে যাচ্ছে না ব্যাপারটা, কিন্তু এটাই that is what buoyant force comes out to be, the weight of the displaced volume of the liquid. And if the body is floating, what happens for a floating body? W is equal to B. W is the weight. Weight is equal to buoyancy. For a floating body, weight is equal to buoyancy. Okay. W is equal to B.
স্যার নিচ থেকে যে প্রেসারটা যাচ্ছে স্যার সেখানে P0টা আসছে কেমন করে অ্যাটমসফিয়ার প্রেসার?
এই পয়েন্টে এই হরিজন্টাল লেভেলে প্রেসার কত ছিল? P0 এখান থেকে না,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বুঝেছি।
তখন তো আবার সেই এরকম একটা সেকেন্ডারি ইকুয়েশন। হ্যাঁ, one thing is that we have considered here also atmospheric pressure, here also atmospheric pressure. মানে this much height does not change the atmospheric pressure.
ইয়েস স্যার বুঝেছি।
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার, খুব নেগলিজিবল চেঞ্জ।
negligible. But if the cylinder is so tall, that means this, suppose this capital H minus small h, this height is the height of a mountain, then the this will be not P naught, a decreased atmospheric pressure.
ইয়েস,
সে কিন্তু অবজেক্ট ফ্লোট করলে তো বিটা 0 হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে বি 0 হয়ে যাবে না
কোনটা জিরো হবে?
স্যার? সাবমার্জ ভলিউম।
অবজেক্ট ফ্লোট করছে না, এই তো সাবমার্জ ভলিউম এটা আছে।
অবজেক্ট ফ্লোট করলে অ্যাপারেন্ট ওয়েটটা 0 হচ্ছে না?
হ্যাঁ, মানে অ্যাপারেন্ট ওয়েট মানে W minus B, that is 0.
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ।
স্যার।
See, apparent weight is what? We keep it on a weighing machine. Now, it will not touch the weighing machine. It's floating. It will not touch the weighing machine. So the normal reaction will be 0. What is apparent weight? The weight, the force with which the object presses on the weighing machine kept below it. That is apparent weight. So it's not pressing. Floating body has apparent weight 0.
স্যার অবজেক্টটা পুরোটাই সারফেসের উপর থাকতে পারে না, মানে সাবমার্জ ভলিউম 0?
না, সেটা হবে না।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
কি করে হবে? If V is 0, then rho should be infinity. Rho should be infinity, na? Because W is equal to V rho G, weight. Weight তো আছে,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
মানে ওই আর কি, weight 0 হলে ওটা তো হবে না, practically is not possible.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, now also barometer is something which measures pressure. So there you have, normally you have mercury barometer. So this is mercury. Now what happens here? The same thing. Consider the point 1 and this point 2. Same horizontal level. So we equate P1 equal to P2. That's all. Now this part is vacuum. A part that is assured that this part is vacuum. তাহলে কি হবে P1? What is P1? Oh, this is H rho g, na? On top you have nothing, vacuum, H rho g. What is P2? P2 is same as P naught. And the atmospheric pressure আছে না 2.8. At point 2, it is a free surface, so you have atmospheric pressure at P naught. So H rho g is equal to P naught. Okay, now, so therefore, this height comes out to be 76 centimeter. Okay, calculate this height, practically find out 76 centimeter. 76 by 100 into density of mercury is 13.6 times 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube into G 9.8. So this comes out to be 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So that is the atmospheric pressure, 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Okay.
স্যার ক্যালকুলেশনটা কিসের ক্যালকুলেশন করলে এইচ টু জি?
হ্যাঁ, H rho g।
ঠিক আছে।
এটা তো H টা জানি, এটা তো এক্সপেরিমেন্ট থেকে দেখতে পারি। H টা 76 সেন্টিমিটার, মানে 76 by 100 মিটার, আর rho density of mercury is 13.6 times 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and G is 9.8. So approx it has 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square.
Sir, can you one show how H rho g is derived?
Which one?
Sir, H rho g, how this
Pressure.
formula has came?
H rho g from here.
The pressure is equal to force by area. Force is equal to m into T. And m is equal to volume into density, volume into area into H.
Here we have considered this cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Here the pressure is atmospheric pressure, see, P naught into A. Force is pressure into area. And here pressure is P, so P into A. And there you have the weight of this cylinder. Now this force plus this weight is equal to this force.
Yes, sir.
So pressure is P naught plus H rho g.
Yes,
P naught. Okay.
yes,
But here for the barometer, on top you have vacuum, nothing. So there will not be any atmospheric pressure. So this part will be 0.
yes, sir.
So it is, pressure will be absolutely H rho g. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the barometer. Now, see, suppose you have a body sinking in two different liquids, then what is going to happen? Two different liquids. Say this is liquid rho 1, this is liquid rho 2, and say this is X and this is Y. So what will be the buoyant force? Can you calculate the buoyancy? For buoyancy, nothing else is required. At this point, what is the pressure? Just calculate the pressure. কত হবে?
P naught plus P1 plus P2.
P naught plus
P1 plus P2.
P naught plus X rho 1 G
Yeah,
plus
P1
Y rho 2g, है ना? So it will add up, na, pressure. See, pressure at this point is P naught. This point is P naught plus this x rho 1g, and here it will add up. P naught plus x rho 1g plus y rho 2g. Acha. So the force, what's the force? P naught A. And
P
here
naught
what's
A.
the force? EA. So buoyancy is what? EA minus P naught A. When the net thrust force on the body, that is buoyant force. So it asks, that means V1 rho 1g plus V2 rho 2g. Huh? V1 V2, is it clear? V1 V2.
স্যার ওগুলো রো ওয়ান রো টু না পি ওয়ান পি টু?
Rho 1 rho 2. V1 হচ্ছে volume, the submerged volume in liquid 1, and V2 is submerged volume in liquid 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so that is how you calculate buoyancy on a body which is submerged partly in two or three different liquids. And it's like B is B1 plus B2. Buoyancy due to liquid 1 plus buoyancy due to liquid 2. Okay. Now, one question. See, this is a thing, a vessel, and you have a cylinder here. Now, this bottom of the cylinder is glued to the base of the vessel. Will the buoyant force act?
Yes. It will just make the force
Yes,
zero,
sir.
just a point below before zero.
Huh?
If it was a the base was a weighing machine, then it would show zero weight, but it would still act.
স্যার ভাবতে দিন এক মিনিট।
মানে one cylinder. See, two cases.
স্যার এখানে বয়ান্সিটা 0 হবে, তো ওয়েটটা থাকবে।
বায়ান্ট ফোর্স অ্যাক্ট করবে কিন্তু কোনো এফেক্ট দেখা যাবে না।
Hmm.
মানে I am telling in case 1,
হুম।
will buoyant force that V rho g upwards act?
নো স্যার।
No. Why?
স্যার কেন কি গ্লুড আছে, তো ওটা আপওয়ার্ড যখন এক রিয়াকশন পেয়ে ওটা নিচে হয়ে যাবে, তো 0 হয়ে যাবে দুটো।
স্যার নিচের তো ওয়াটারই নেই প্রেশার দেওয়ার জন্য।
Yes. Very good. নিচে তো ওয়াটারই নেই প্রেসার দেওয়ার জন্য, buoyancy কোথা থেকে আসবে? See, this buoyancy is there because the water from below exerts more force than the water from top. Or suppose there is no water, the atmosphere from top, if it's partly submerged. If it's fully submerged, then water from top. Okay. However, the force on the bottom surface is more than the force on the top surface. Okay. force on the bottom surface is more than the force on the top surface. That difference in force is the buoyant force. फोर्स का सोर्स जानना है, ऐसे ही नहीं आता buoyant force. ऊपर से फोर्स, नीचे से फोर्स, साइड से फोर्स तो that gets cancelled as in that same horizontal level. But तो नीचे से जो फोर्स है which acts upwards is more than the force that acts on the top surface, that downward force. No? That difference is buoyant force. Now, if the lower surface is glued to the bottom of the vessel, then does the downward force act? No, it doesn't act. नीचे तो वाटर ही नहीं, तो नीचे वाटर থাকলে তো দেবে প্রেসার. There is no water below. So that whole thing, buoyancy, that concept is not valid for case 1. You have to go back to the roots. What are the forces? Weight, that force of the glue holding it together, and the pressure force from the top. That goes. What about case 2? Here, buoyant force will act or will not act. কি মনে হয়? A cylinder is kept placed in the vessel. Here, buoyant force will act. Why?
স্যার নিচে জল আছে, মানে রাখা হয়েছে just.
নিচে জল আছে মানে এমন না যে it should float always. No, see that this, if you go into this details, this roughness, water gets into this roughness, na, and exerts force. Anyway, looking from far off, you can think that একটা ড্রাম রেখেছি জলের মধ্যে, নিচে তো জল নেই, না না, নিচে it's weighted. Water get into the spaces and then it will exert force upwards. So they are buoyant force act. So remember that when the thing is glued, then there is no question of buoyant force. Buoyant force act করছে না. Okay? Rather this cylinder and the vessel are treated as one body.
স্যার আমি এটা বলছি যে buoyant force এর ডেফিনেশন তো স্যার হচ্ছে কি, যতটা মানে ওয়াটার ডিসপ্লেস করে লিকুইড সেটা যে ফোর্সটা দেবে, কিন্তু স্যার ওয়ানে তো কোনো আচ্ছা ওই সিলিন্ডারটা তো লিকুইডটা তো ডিসপ্লেস
এটাই
করছে।
বলছি না, see, rather going by the definition, better to go by logic and see.
Yes, sir.
One more কথা বলছি, আরেকটা কথা বলছি. Definition, it should be mentioned if a body is partly or fully submerged.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Submerged means surrounded by liquid from all sides. Whether it is partly or, I mean, at least partly submerged, na, the bottom part is liquid as. See, this buoyancy definition, rather than following this definition, better to work out by logic. Suppose there is a cylinder inside this ocean, sea. Okay, and see Mount Everest. Mount Everest is size it has. So can you apply this buoyancy force equal to V rho G hobe submerged volume? Will it be? Okay. Will the buoyant force be V rho G? Still, you can tell from your logic.
হ্যাঁ, তখনও তো ভিরোই হবে।
তখন বিরোধীই থাকবে।
না, হবে না, V rho G হবে না। এটা হচ্ছে ব্যাপার। কারণ কি, এখানে অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেসার ইনটু এরিয়া এ, আর নিচে যেটা হবে এইখানে অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেশার পি নট, তো পি নট প্লাস এইচ রো জি ইনটু এ। নাও দিস অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেশার ইজ লেস দ্যান পি নট, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you go high in altitude, the atmospheric pressure decreases. This হবে না? You
Yes,
have
sir.
lesser mass of air pressing on you from the top.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
তাই না? The atmosphere layer না, that starts from heaven till us, এরকম ভাবে আছে, স্বর্গ থেকে মর্ত অব্দি ওটা। তাহলে when you are on top of a mountain, tall mountain, so you have lesser layer of atmosphere pressing on you, তাই না? এবার ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার। স্যার বলছি
তাহলে এখানে বয়েন্সি ফোর্স কি হবে স্যার?
Buoyancy force will be something larger than V rho g. Suppose this atmospheric pressure at the top is P naught star, less than P naught. তাহলে what is the force? P naught star into A. What is the net force? Net thrust force. Say if you call it buoyancy, net thrust force, P naught minus P naught star A plus that, so that H into A is V plus V rho g. Isn't it greater? H into A V.
পি নট মাইনাস পি নট স্টার এ কেনটা আনলাম?
হ্যাঁ, ওই যে নেট ফোর্স কত আসছে নিচ থেকে কত, from the bottom the force is how much, from the bottom the force is P naught plus H rho g A, from the top the force is P naught star A. What is the difference?
নট
The bottom force
এ
minus
মাইনাস পি নট
হ্যাঁ,
তো তাহলে তো মাইনাস জিরো জি হবে, ডিফারেন্স বার করি।
না না, net force upwards,
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ,
net force upwards, এটা তো force due to the liquid না, pressure exerting liquid surrounding the body.
স্যার গ্যাসেসে কি বায়ন ফোর্স হতে পারে?
হ্যাঁ, গ্যাসেসেও আছে buoyant force,
আচ্ছা,
গ্যাসেসেও আছে buoyant force, হ্যাঁ,
লিকুইডের থেকে কি মানে খুবই কম?
খুব কম,
আচ্ছা,
খুব কম। তার কারণটা বলছি, রিজনটা বলছি। আচ্ছা, সাপোজ
ডেনসিটিটা খুবই কম
হ্যাঁ,
বলে?
না না না, ডেন্সিটি কম, হ্যাঁ সেটা একটা ব্যাপার আছে, ডেন্সিটি কম বলে। Suppose you have a cylinder, I'm talking about cylinders, it is valid for anybody. Say this is liquid, so এখানে liquid pressure P1 force P2A, but suppose a cylinder is falling through, suppose air, so this is the two atmospheric pressures. So how does atmospheric pressure vary with height? There's a very less na, difference is very less. Why? Because the density is very low for air. So ওটার উপর থেকে যা ফোর্স হবে, ইভেন উপরেও atmospheric pressure P naught, নিচেও atmospheric pressure P naught, because with that slight height it won't change, with large height it changes. ঠিক আছে? So there is no buoyancy due to this air. Suppose air ही बोललाम कि gas, so due to air there is no buoyancy because pressures are equal on the top and the bottom surface.
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, মানে so there are certain devices
স্যার
which
একবার বোঝাবেন এই গ্যাসের ওটা?
হ্যাঁ
কেন?
গ্যাস, হ্যাঁ বলছি, এই যে সাপোজ এটা আর্থ, আর্থ এরকম এই যে গাছ বাড়ি, ঠিক আছে, আর্থের উপরে আছি আমরা। এবারে আর্থের উপরে যে অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেসার সে এখানে পি নট, এখানেও তো পি নট, এখানেও তো অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেটলি তো পি নট না, প্রচুর হাইটে গিয়ে তারপর চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, মানে ইটস আ ভেরি ভেরি গ্র্যাজুয়াল চেঞ্জ। নাও সাপোজ বডি ইজ ফলিং ডাউন of cross section A. On the top surface, what is the force? P naught A. On the bottom surface, P naught A. Because the atmospheric pressure is almost uniform. Almost uniform, no?
Okay, sir.
So therefore, the buoyant force is zero.
Okay.
But inside liquid, it doesn't happen. Inside liquid, the small change in height, there is a large change in pressure.
Yes, sir.
So you know that buoyancy force is quite large.
স্যার লিকুইডের ডেন্সিটি গ্রেটার বলে।
Density greater বলে কম হাইটে, in small height there is a substantial change in pressure. ঠিক আছে, it is the same topic you have learned before also na? Class 9, but I think that concepts are more clear now. হচ্ছে কি না, the ঠিক আছে, conceptually more clear I think. বললাম আর আচ্ছা, নাও আর একটা জিনিস বলছি, say this now see, suppose this, আচ্ছা see এমনি একটা বলছি block, suppose there is a block inside liquid, whether it is partly or fully submerged, liquid exerts a force B, buoyancy. In turn, the body also exerts B on the liquid. এটাও কিন্তু হয়, ঠিক আছে, that is Newton's third law. Newton's third law, okay, মানে the liquid exerts a net upthrust B on the body submerged. In turn, the body also exerts force B on the liquid downwards. ঠিক আছে, that is also true. ঠিক আছে, মোটামুটি আর কিছু বলার নেই এখানে। I can give you some problems. Would you like to solve it now or later? Problems?
Sir, you give some problems. If it is not solved, we will solve it later.
আচ্ছা, I'll give it from our start. Class 9. এটা ক্লাস 9 এর বইতেই আছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি পয়েন্টসটা। তো আরেকটা জিনিস বলছি, আরেকটা জিনিস বলা হয়নি, they are a very very important phenomena. So, you know, in the same level liquid having same pressure, suppose you in the same level you have something like this, so the thing containing say oil in this chamber, connected this chamber containing oil, and here
Pascal's law.
Pascal's law. See again, we will not মানে আগে থেকেই let's not call it a law. So, you know, pressure in the same horizontal level equal, na? Say this is 1 and 2. So, you know, P1 is equal to P2.
স্যার গাড়ি উঠাতে গেলে লাগে ওইগুলো।
হ্যাঁ, গাড়ি ওঠাতে গেলে। আর সাপোজ এখানে একটা এমনি একটা ফোর্স দিলাম, এর একটা গাড়ির ওয়েট, this cross section is A1, this is A2. So অ্যাকচুয়ালি তো অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেসারও কাজ করে। তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইট শুড বি, suppose if you neglect the atmospheric pressure, then actually this W by A1 is equal to F by A2. হবে না? W by A1 is equal to F by A2. Obviously, you have to add plus P naught, but it's same. That will cancel out. Actually, it is like this. P naught will cancel out. It is on both sides. So W by A1 is equal to F by A2. So think, if A1 by A2, you can apply a very small force F to lift a car. Using the simple principle that the same horizontal level you have same pressure. Call it Pascal's law, okay. ঠিক আছে। আমার মনে হয় না অত ল ঠিক আছে for writing definitions in school it is required. But actually the basic principles, understanding the basic principles are more important. Right now, sometimes knowing two laws makes the subject appear more difficult than it really is. To think that there is a new thing which has to be learned. So there's no need of marketing new laws, no? Or branding new laws. See, brand promotion is not required for these laws. What is needed is basic understanding. All the laws will assimilate very well within this domain of basic understanding. Even if you do not know the names of the laws, you will come out knowing the laws themselves without knowing the names of the laws. তাই না? ল এর নাম না জেনেও যদি পারপাসটা জানতে পারি লয়ের, আমার মনে হয় সেটা আরো বেটার হবে। এই যে পাস্কালস ল বলছে, অত কিছু ভেবে লাভ নেই। এটা সাপোজ পাস্কালস ল তো ঠিক আছে, মনে হচ্ছে না দিস W by A1 equal to F by A2. Okay. If the labels are not equal, what will you do then? হ্যাঁ, অত সোজা।
স্যার তাহলে ওই যে এইচ এর যে ডিস্টেন্সটা হবে তাহলে সেটা এইচ রো জিটা করে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, এবারে তখন কি বলবো আমরা পাস্কালস ল ঠিক না ভুল? আরে why at all think about that? পাস্কালস ল ঠিক হোক ভুল হোক আমার কি, তাই না? আমাদের তো মেন ফ্যাক্টটা জানলেই হলো। এইটা বলছিলাম আমি। I was telling about this, that here A2 and there is a height difference of h. Can we apply F by A2 equal to W by A1? Can you apply it? Yes or no? Never. Because in the same horizontal level, na? So rather, what we can apply, W by A1 equal to F by A2 plus H rho G. Right na? এটা তো হবেই, same horizontal level, you in the same liquid you got to have same pressure. Otherwise liquid will flow. Okay, now understand this thing. Jodi, if the pressure at these 2 points are not same, then also equal height difference, these 2 points also not same. That means this cylinder is moving. Is it possible? No. Yes, হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এইটাই যা প্রেসার হবে প্লাস সাম সে ক্যাপিটাল H E1 plus capital H rho G is pressure. I'm talking about gauge pressure. And P2 plus H rho G is pressure. If these two pressures are not equal, this cylinder will move, accelerate. Force to the right and left are not equal, cylinder will drift. That's not happening. So you got to have same pressure in same liquid in same horizontal level. Different liquid হলে হবে না, same liquid. Okay? Even I tell you, don't know any, মানে don't have to remember anything, same liquid but না হলো কি না হলো. You analyze yourself, start straight from the word go. ঠিক আছে? So that is a thought of the day, that as much as possible apply basic principles to solve problems. The purpose of solving problems is getting closer to reality, understanding the laws of nature. Okay, do it from the basic concepts, not by remembering any law, or as less as possible. হ্যাঁ, কিছু law তো দেখতেই হবে. Newton's law, suppose F equal to ma, you have to believe that now. Sometimes you have to rely on blind faith, else it's not possible. I tell it's blind faith, really. That's blind faith. Sometimes got to depend on blind faith, but as less as possible. Okay. আচ্ছা, তো আমি কয়টা প্রবলেম দিয়ে দিচ্ছি টাস্ক হিসেবে, is at rest.
আপনি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে শেয়ার করে দেবেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমার সরি।
ঠিক আছে।
আর নেক্সট উইকটা আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি আই এম গোয়িং আউট অফ স্টেশন নেক্সট উইক, উইল প্ল্যান আ ক্লাস অ্যাকর্ডিংলি, হ্যাঁ, লেটার। অ্যান্ড বিয়ন্ড দ্যাট, যে আমাদের রেকর্ডিংটা apart from that,